Pork loin with mustard, the juiciest meat you'll ever taste.
Tired of always eating meat the same way? Well, I promise you that if you try this way of preparing it with mustard sauce, you'll definitely want seconds. Juicier, tastier, and even easier.
First, let's prepare the sauce for cooking. 3 cloves of garlic, well crushed. If you have a grater, even better, because it turns into a paste in no time. We add mustard, whichever you like. Mild, strong, Dijon mustard, whichever you prefer. I use regular mustard, 2 tablespoons. Also, half a cup of evaporated milk, and we mix this very well until everything comes together.
And keep in mind that you can always make the sauce to your liking, using a stronger or milder mustard, adding a bit more or a bit less. We're here to enjoy ourselves, so always find the flavor you like best.
Now in a pan, we add a splash of oil and we're going to brown 6 pork loin fillets in it. The oil should be very hot over high heat, and we're going to brown each side for just a minute, just to sear the meat. So here we go. Once it's seared on one side, we flip it over and sear it on the other side. Since they don't all fit at once, I set aside 3 on a plate and cook the other 3. And then I add the first 3 back into the pan, making sure not to miss any of the sauce left on the plate, because all of that is pure flavor. To this, we add the wonderful mustard mixture we prepared at the beginning. We reduce the heat to medium, and we're going to cook it in its own sauce. So at first, we mix it very well so that it spreads evenly. We put the lid on the pan and cook for about 10 or 12 minutes. The magic is this. From time to time, stir a little so the sauce soaks in and coats everything evenly. So every few minutes, we give it a little stir, and in 10 or 12 minutes, the recipe is done. Look at this beauty. Sauce and meat in equal parts. Grab a small plate, put the fillets you want to eat on it, pour the sauce over them, and you start. The sauce is so close that it definitely gets soaked.
And with this sauce and the meat so juicy, it just melts in your mouth as you chew. It's truly a delight. I hope you liked it, and let me know what your favorite sauce for meat is. That way we all learn together. In the meantime, we can also watch this other video that pops up here, which YouTube tells me you're going to love.